I received a call from a woman the other day who demanded that I start her lawsuit immediately. Would you like to learn what this is about? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. She was calling about a potential medical malpractice case. The deadline was approaching very quickly, and she said, listen, I have a great case. I want you to start my lawsuit immediately. She called me up thinking that she had a valid medical malpractice case, but her problem was she had a very limited time in which to file suit. The time limit was coming up very quickly. And so now she called me and said, listen, I think I have a very good case. I want you to file a lawsuit immediately to protect my rights so that I can go forward and bring my case. I said to her, hang on one second. I said, did you know that in New York we are required to have a medical expert evaluate your case to determine that number one, there was wrongdoing, number two, the wrongdoing caused injury, and number three, that the injury is significant or permanent? I had to tell her the reality. The reality was that there's absolutely no way I'd be able to help her. Why not? Because the time in which to obtain all of her medical records and to have me review all the records and to have the medical expert review all the records, there would be absolutely no time in which to do that because her time was running out. And I could not undertake to do that at the very outset, knowing full well I would not be able to do and accomplish a thorough, full investigation in the limited time that she had. Because the reality is that I have to obtain all of her medical records, and it takes quite a bit of time to do that. Once I get all those medical records, I then have to go through each and every record, each and every page, so that when I do send those medical records out to a qualified medical expert, I can then talk to the doctor intelligently about what was in the records and what his opinions are. And then, obviously, the medical expert has to review all those records, get back to me with his or her opinion, and then I can proceed forward only if he's able to confirm each one of those three elements. So I had to tell this woman on the phone that I couldn't help her, even though she believed she had a valid basis for a case. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you a little bit of an insight and an understanding into what goes on when a medical malpractice attorney has to evaluate a possible case and the time limit is quickly running out. You know, in all likelihood, you probably have questions about your own medical malpractice matter, and if you do, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is what I do every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks so much for watching.